There's a bird up there, and it's having a breakdown because it can't figure out which way to go out. It's probably the biggest bird we ever got in here. This bird's gonna knock itself out. If I can get a long pole or something, maybe I can get it out. Has this ever happened to you? You ever get a bird stuck somewhere? I'd like to know your story. Hey, you're gonna kill my picture, you bird. Darn it. Hey, you. Yeah, I'm supposed to be doing yard work right now, but I'm feeling rather blue. Come on, fly. Come on, land on the stick. I can get this darn bird to go on the damn stick. Hey, you. Oh, that's the closest I ever got. This darn thing's gonna hop all over the place. Well, the only other option is leave it alone. Darn thing's gonna bang its head up against the wall and get a concussion. I've had that happen before. A bird ended up flying in here, knocked its head out. Well, maybe if I play some music, maybe it'll find a way out. um, oh well. What are you gonna do? This bird is stubborn. I can't. The smaller birds seem to be okay, but when you get a bird like this, they tend to be really stubborn. And so it's very hard to get them out. So, yay! I chased it out finally. Thank you, Action Gal. Anyways, I'll see you in my next upload. I'm going to put on Journey, Raised on Radio. And since I couldn't show you before because Sam was yanking me all over the place, now I'm upset because I really, really miss Tweenie My Loves. And she said that she's not able to talk because there's people where she's at. And so all I really wanted was to hear whether she misses me or not. See, I had to tear the tree out, bush in here, because it was so dead. And so now today, I'm going to finish taking all this dead stuff off. And then I'm going to start weeding over here. And then try and find my way around my dad's truck. And then I'll work my way over here, work around Racer Basardi's tree, do some weeding down in here, and then I'll work over here. And look, there's Margie TV. She's on the airplane. Yay! Oh, must be a party going on over there. Mr. Graham setting up over there. So, all right, well, that's it. I gotta get busy. Her mom comes out screaming at me, and yeah, like I said, I'm just bummed because all I really wanted to hear Tweenie My Love say, "I miss you too." That's it. She don't have to say she loves me. It's fine if she doesn't. That's okay. It's a one-way street anyway. I think it always has been. So, maybe not. I don't know. So what do you think? You think it looks good? I think it looks good. Nice and cleared. So, oh well. She says, just focus on your work. Okay. Yeah, thanks a lot. You really make me feel so much better. Yeah. All right, well, that's it. Stay awesome. It was cloudy earlier. And so next week it's supposed to be like 105. And that's why mom's ragging at me about getting out here and doing stuff. So I gotta get rid of this thing there. All right, well, I don't want no copyright claims, so la 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 la. That's your music. All right, stay awesome, stay happy. Oh, Anna Maria Garcia. Here you go. Here is the showroom. You always like the showroom. I gotta organize this. Maybe when I'm not working outside, I'll focus in here, trying to get this stuff done. So, uh, that's it. I'm gone with a broken heart.